to Accounting 101.
I'm Nick Leday.
And I'm Jennifer Christ. Hey, Leo.
Good question, Leo.
A journal is the paper on which we write the gains and losses of the money for your business. On the journal, we have accounts.
Accounts. Categories that we use to organize our business's money on the journal.
Within the accounts, we have transactions. And transaction is when we record the gains or losses of money for your business.
That's another good question, Leo. These are our accounts. Cash. Cash is something we use to buy our supplies.
Petty cash is a small fund of cash that we have on hand to give change to our customers and to buy small supplies such as tape.
Supplies. Supplies is the tools that we need to complete the task on hand, such as tape, scissors, wrapping paper.
Capital. Mrs. Ford and Mrs. Obermiller are your investors. An investor is someone who puts money into your account to start the business. Their accounts are called capital accounts. Investment.
Drawing. Drawing is when Mrs. Ford or Mrs. Obermiller takes out cash for personal use.
Sales is the account that we use to record the items that were sold for our business.
Advertising expense is the account used where we record money to use our ad for our business.
Miscellaneous expense is the account that we use to record the money that is not used for advertising, rent, or supplies.
The rent expense is the account used to record your money to use the rent for your space for your business.
Supplies expense is the account that we use to record the money that we use to buy or restock our supplies.
That concludes Accounting 101. Thank you for watching.
Be sure to tune in next time when we talk about credits and debits. Welcome to Accounting 101.
Part 2.
I'm still Jennifer Christ.
And I'm still Nick Leday.
Today we will be talking about journalizing for your business. Source documents. Source documents are documents that we use to prove our transactions. Our two kinds of source documents that we will be using for your business are checks and receipts. Source documents have their own special column on the journal. In this column, we will write the document that we use for that transaction. So for a check, in this column we would write C and then the number of the check. For a receipt, we would write R and then the number of the receipt. Debits and credits.
Debits and credits are used to classify transactions in our journal. Our accounts are split up into two categories, depending on your increasing and decreasing debit or credit, such as cash, petty cash, supplies, drawing, and your expense accounts. If it's increasing, you will debit, and if it's decreasing, you will credit. On the other side, we have our sales and capital accounts. If it's decreasing, you will debit, and if it's increasing, you will credit.
3. That's all about source documents and debits and credits.
That concludes part 2. To be continued.
Dun, dun, dun.